Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup and skincare on this channel. Today I am going to review this Dot & Key Glow Accelerator 30% AHA and 2% BHA serum. So this is the outer packaging and you can see it is a cardboard packaging, and as usual it is really attractive. So now comes the inside packaging, and this is a glass bottle. Actually I have seen a glass bottle from Dot & Key for the first time, and this has a dropper dispenser. uh, you know the product quantity is 20 ml for 695 rupees, which is a little bit steep, I guess, because other companies sell 30 ml of product quantity for 699 or something like that range. So it is a bit steep. I think by this time all of us are habituated with using this AHA and BHA peeling solution, so there is nothing new about it. So now just let's directly jump into the ingredient list. As AHA, this serum has glycolic acid, lactic acid, and um, mandelic acid, citric acid, etc. And for BHA, I can see salicylic acid just on the top. With that, they have also included some skin conditioning ingredients like cilantro and hyaluronic acid, which is really a good thing. But there is a point, cilantro is not, like, it is used widely, but not a lot of research is done on its side effect, so we don't know whether it is safe to use or not. But in a lot of skin and hair conditioning products, we can see cilantro. So next comes to actually the feel of this serum. The bottle is glass bottle, and don't think that this bottle is blue. The peeling solution is blue, so it is not at all color free, and it has a mild fragrance, I can tell you. Let me show you a little bit. Okay, so this is the solution. You can see it is kind of blue and a bit sticky, but I'm not, like, I'm not mad at that. It has a very mild citric or, like, soothing fragrance. So if you are allergic to fragrances, stay away from this. And color free, it's not also color free. Let me wash my hands. I don't want my hands to be peeling. Okay. And you don't have to freak out when you see propylene glycol as your skincare ingredient. Though it is said that it is carcinogen and so many things which is negative and should not be used in skincare ingredients, but as this is just a peeling solution, and more research has revealed that propylene glycol is actually safe to use on your skin, and it actually works as a humectant. So you do not have to freak out. So yeah, that's all about the ingredient list. And now about my experience. At first I was like, why do they have to put on some color? But then I thought, okay, other peeling solutions have red colors, and this has a blue color to be like distinct. They have made it blue, maybe, I don't know. Actually I wanted to see the result, and that is what matters to me. So I kept on using. I used it 2 times, like twice in a week. Though you should not use, as a beginner, you should not use peeling solutions twice a week. I would recommend it to use once in 2 weeks when you start or when you begin, or even once in a month. But if you have increased your tolerance power, then you can use it once in a week. But just to review, I wanted to see how it works. So I used it twice this week, and the next week I'm going to give it a gap. So what I felt this works really well. And when I woke up the next morning, I got a clear skin. So yeah, I had a little bit, not zits, a little bit bumpiness right there. And when I woke up just after using it, I got a clear skin. I'm going to include a demo video where I am using this for the second time, so you can see it here. I have already used a minimalist one which is 30% AHA and BHA and PHA one, and then I have also used the Damaco one. So I didn't find something very wow, very different. Only the packaging is a bit different and the color is blue. So it's your choice, because you're paying 700 rupees for 20 ml of peeling solution, where you can get like 550 or 700. The Damaco one is 550 or 600 as far as I remember, for 30 ml of product quantity, and it works really decent. So there is nothing wow, and there is nothing like meh. So it is kind of a okay product, and you can use it safely. If you are a Donkey fan, you can use it safely. But this is a bit pricey and is a bit steep. So that's that about my review. It did work for me. There is nothing like, I'm not discrediting it and just telling you not to buy it or anything like that. You can buy, if you want to try it, you can buy. But there is nothing, I didn't feel that it is better than the others. I thought that it is just similar than the other products. It worked just the same. So this is how right now my skin is looking without any skincare and makeup. So now I am going to take out just a few drops of it on my palm and just apply it on my face as a layer. Okay, I think I need a few drops more. So yeah, 2 drops more. It has already started tingling. I will keep it for not more than 2 to 3 minutes. So this is how my skin is looking right now, and immediately I am going to use some aloe vera gel, because after using a peeling solution, your skin needs some soothing and cooling. So please do not use any active. I would rather prefer an aloe vera gel than any sleeping masks or anything else, because they have sometimes some actives. So you can safely use some hyaluronic acid concentrates, or something containing hyaluronic acid, but not any other actives. Okay, something went inside my eyes. Yeah, a thick layer of aloe vera gel will do it for me. If you liked this review and found that it is helpful even a little bit, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.